We used to protect Cog settlements. Now we're about to raid one.
Raiding is what outsiders do.
Lieutenant, you've been busy.
Look, our village hasn't had power in weeks. We need this fabricator.
I don't care about the goddamn fabricator. You're taking my people.
What happened?
The short version, the Cog is on his way.
You promised me you could steal that fabricator without provoking Jin.
This has nothing to do with the fabricator.
Then what did you do?
Jin accused us of taking her people.
Yeah, whatever that means.
Get the fabricator to the power station and install the inverter.
You realize Jin's coming back, right? We need to leave, now. Mom!
Hey, listen. You need to hide, and then you need to run.
Look, you know as well as I do that he can help.
Our village was attacked.
And my mother was taken.
Taken? Dad, you should look at this.
Shit.
Guys?
Thought you said you weren't running from the Cog.
Yeah, that wasn't completely accurate.
We need to get through that fort to the abandoned Osborne mine on the other side. The Cog dumped a few thousand locust bodies in there after the war. If your swarm's related to the grubs, we'll find out there.
They're taking people and using them.
And what if we can't get him back?
Then, I guess we're all alone out here.
We definitely found where they're coming from.
And where those snatchers are going.
My dad's alive and he's down there.
Move!
James, in that pod, I was in their network. This whole goddamn hive. It's all connected. The locusts never die, James. Kate, your mother, she's alive.
Where is she?
And she's not being treated like the others. Not potted.
I'm released. I'll die. It's okay.
She wanted you to have that.
It was my grandmother's. I never knew her.
not ready for this. She can barely keep her eyes open.
Don't worry about her. She'll be ready.
Okay, we're almost at Baird's coordinates. Welcome to Azura.
When's the last time you slept?
Last night. Got a good 8 or 9 minutes in.
Nightmares?
Does it get better?
It gets tolerable.
All right, let's see what we got. Come on, time to hook in for the drop.
So who's jumping first?
Definitely not you.
Don't, I'm fine, okay?
Sure you are.
Oh, shit. Thanks, Del.
Sam, we're outgoing.
Roger that. We're standing by out here.
See you soon. Hey, Dave, coming? All right, Control, we're going in.
Control? Really? I have a name. Control.
Regs are regs, Baird. I mean, Control.
And we're already breaking enough of them as it is.
What Jin doesn't know won't hurt her.
This is my call, all right? If the First Minister doesn't like it, she can yell at me. Which she almost certainly will.
Tell us where to go, Control.
I'll do my best, but remember, no one's been in that facility for like 25 years.
Yeah, that's pretty evident.
You're not there to buy a timeshare. You're there to launch an old Hammer-a-thon prototype.
And your intel says one of the silos is still intact, right?
Yeah, as far as they can tell. Just get Dave to a functional control room. He'll handle the launch sequence.
Dave, light. Remember, it's a big locust burial site in this island. Hatched, gonna be waist deep in swarm.
Hey, get back!
Oh, shit!
The hell? Trying to search a place that's falling apart.
Quickly. Come on, we can use the ledge.
Baird's plan to launch a satellite from here? It seems a little half-baked.
Well, half-baked plans are kind of Baird's specialty.
How Baird even figured out they had a hammer satellite here?
My father, before he died, he let Baird in on a few cog secrets. And this island, it has plenty of them.
Hey, fetch. Didn't expect there'd still be bodies.
Only a handful of us made it off Azura alive.
Gotta cut through. Okay, let's go. Stay back. We're coming down. Huh, guess who? Dave, send a pulse and let's see what we're dealing with.
How do you want to do this?
I'll take care of this work.
All right, let's take him out.
Get into cover! Come on, bring it! Or drone!
Fire in the hole!
Only one left!
All right, that's all of them.
Baird? Confirmed. Missouri burial site is active.
Shit. Okay, Condor's in the air. Let me know if you need reinforcements.
We get it handled for now. Delta out. Come on. We gotta find one of those silos. Assuming the swarm haven't ripped them all apart.
Hey, I think we can get down this way.
Dave, fetch.
Shit. Sorry.
Kate, these headaches.
I'm okay, all right? Let's just find a silo.
For the record, you don't seem okay.
I'll live.
There's too many active hives. Everywhere we go, another burial site's hatched.
All the more reason to get the Hammer of Dawn online.
Let's hope Jin sees it that way.
Here, get back!
Fire in the hole!
They're coming out of that
Gotta get it pregnant!
nest! Nest destroyed!
Terminated! All right, got them all.
Wait a second. Guys, we're in a silo. Baird, we found one of the silos, but it's wrecked.
Well, there's two more. One of them's still operational.
Hope you're right. We ended the war once on this island. When we get this Hammer satellite up, we can do it again.
That's the idea, old pal. Control out.
So, straight's not an option. How much rocket base is even left?
Let's find out. You guys go right, Marcus and I'll go left. We'll find those silos.
Sounds good. Stay in contact.
You sure about this?
2 silos, 2 paths. You got a better idea? Jump down.
This looks like some kind of an exhaust tunnel. But is it from a silo?
Only one way to find out.
Where'd it go? Are there more?
Just keep pushing out! Okay, it's all over.
Now, let's figure out how to get out of here.
Dave, can you get this open?
Man, you know what? If they want to turn this place into a hive, let them. It's an isolated island hundreds of miles from shore.
Uh-huh. Let's just make sure that happens after we leave.
Going down.
So much for a silo. Yeah, under here. And we got company.
James, we're above you.
I see you.
We can alert them now. Okay, just tell us who to shoot.
Oh, we got a nest!
Toss a frag! Close it up!
Hey, Dave, back! Got it!
Frag out!
Let's do this!
got a few more up here. You two push ahead.
Copy that. Watch it, swarm! Next! Oh shit, carrier! Bro, we can use those reinforcements right about now!
Condor's almost within range, Delta. Okay, kid, reinforcements incoming. I've got Guardians or DR1s. What do you want?
Send down Guardians!
You got it.
Throw and frag! Fire in the hole! Here they are! Finally! Stay down!
Area of operations is now secure. Thank you for your assistance in this matter.
Hey, Control, that carrier's down. Thanks for the help. Davies, one of you secure the area. The other's with us. Let's go.
Acknowledged.
Nope, locked. We'll have to find another way to open it.
Whoa, Delta. What the hell did Dave do? Got a lot of strange data here. Top secret stuff.
As far as I know, he's opening a door.
He's doing a lot more than that.
Well, either way. Thanks, Dave.
So, that data Dave just downloaded? There's a big hole at the highest security clearance.
How does this relate to our mission?
It doesn't, but now I need to know. I'm guessing whatever's missing was pulled from the network.
Well, who'd have the authority to do that?
Back then, only the facility commander. Find his office and poke around.
Okay. We'll go.
Scanning immediate area. Detecting old inferior bomb technology.
Oh, come on now. That's just me.
Found something here.
Lieutenants, it is a pleasure to serve alongside you.
All right, let's find that office. Shit! Scion! DB, take it out! Throwing frag!
Damn it! Diddy! We just lost our backup!
Shit! There. Done. Now let's find that office.
What does a facility commander's office even look like?
I don't know. I think it's big door, nameplate, maybe commander written on it.
That's a fair response.
Del, commander's office is through here. This door is locked. Dave, try that vent. See where it goes. So, Baird once lost data, huh? What does it even look like?
Well, I mean, if it got pulled from the network, it probably got stored on some kind of external drive. Nice one, Dave.
All right, commander's office. Let's look around. Dave, get this open.
Oh, finally. Control, we found your missing data.
Appreciate it, Delta.
Hey, know what we'd appreciate? Some backup.
What? Where are you?
The silo, we found it. And they're all over us.
Oh, shit, we're on our way. This'll work.
Oh shit, they weren't kidding.
Man, we leave you guys alone for 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's goddamn hilarious. Just help us clear them out. Throwing frag. Looks dead to me.
Shit! This'll work.
All right, control room's clear.
Nice of you guys to show up.
Oh, no problem. Is that rocket attack?
It is, believe it or not.
Good. Then find a port for Dave to plug into. If it checks out, he'll initiate the launch.
Marcus, you know Jim pretty well. Just how angry is she gonna be with us launching this thing?
I'd say somewhere between an ulcer and an aneurysm.
I'm okay with that.
Honestly, we're just lucky the swarm didn't rip this thing apart.
Let's get Dave connected to the controls.
Dave, fetch.
It's all yours. Control, you're in. Start the launch sequence.
Pressurized. First stage. Opening silo doors. Error. Error.
Delta, we have an issue. The silo hatch. It's not opening.
Of course. I knew that seemed too easy.
Baird, options.
Bug out. Blast doors aren't going to protect you from an exploding rocket.
All right, then we call it. Let's go.
Hydraulic external power to on.
No! We get that hatch open.
What?
Kid, listen to your old man. You got to get out of there.
Damn it, we came here to do this, so let's get it done.
Ignition test commence.
Dave, with me!
Ignition. Engine 1.
God damn it, James!
I have got to learn to stop following you.
Yeah, good luck with that. Let's get that hatch open.
So what's our plan? I don't know. Gotta be a manual override near the top. Find our way up. We gotta hurry.
We gotta get across this gap!
Hey, lower that platform.
Ignition. Engine 2.
It's not!
Shit, another gap.
Ignition. Engine 3.
Now, how many engines does a rocket have?
Usually, 4. Okay!
Ignition. Engine 4.
God damn it, it's jammed.
We can get around, let's go!
Up there!
Coming in here with... Shit!
Come on.
15 seconds to launch.
We gotta go!
10 seconds to launch.
There's no time! Come on!
Punch it!
No! Dave's still out there!
Who gives a shit? He's a robot!
That's not his fault!
1.
Gotcha!
Liftoff.
Unbelievable.
Sam, we're ready for extraction.